There you go, I'm recording. A plant? Okay, so we're gonna spray our grass bodies. The plant? It's so cute.
There. You can
So this
see
one is
roots coming out.
Oh, there's roots.
Okay.
Daddy, look, it's growing hair. Mine is growing hair. It looks like a brain. Mine isn't.
See? Spray the top.
Ew, it has ewy bit. Ewy veins. Ew. Spray how many? Sprays. How many sprays?
Sige, try it first. Come on. Thank you.
Come on.
I'll show you. That's just how it's spray.
Is that enough?
Alright, now we're gonna add some blush. Yay!
This one.
Okay, now we're gonna apply some blush. Alright.
Okay. I think it's okay now.
I'm gonna wipe it.
Just put the top or you want the hair to grow?
Ew, Tash Vince is growing hair already. I want it to have really long hair.
Ang top, anak.
And to be Rapunzel. Wait, I thought the pink one is yours. And the green one is mommy's. There you go. Why is it crying?
Okay na?
Ew, how did it get so wet? I'm wiping. Why is it so heavy? Okay, whoa. Like what happened last time. Can you put it out on the window? Or you know, maybe we can just put them here. Can you put them here? Can you put it here? So hot. Why is there a dried up? Why is there a dried up? Okay. I can hear the TV.